we're going to set the stage here a little bit by just drawing attention to the MTSS framework or model as an approach to school improvement. It is not just about matching students to tiers or fitting students into an existing system of intervention. It's really about building the systems that will support the students who are actually in front of you in a way that will fit your reality, your context, the reality of your system and the resources that exist within your system. So building a system that is matched to your student needs. We have decades of research that point us to focusing on prevention of reading difficulties as our best approach to getting all students to be skilled readers, and early intervention working best. The sooner we can act on the indication that a student might have some literacy difficulties, the better the outcomes will be for that student.